Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Serenity and like I said, I'm one of the teachers here in Arizona, and because of this COVID-19 we can't go out. Well, it's not really the normal life that we used to, and we have online classes and I'm kind of bored already, so I thinking of the things that I really want to do before that I can't because of the busy schedule. But right now, since I have this schedule already, my schedule, my own schedule, I'm I really want to learn how to play the guitar when I was still young, but I wasn't really given the chance and I do not really have the talent for that. So instead, I purchased this ukulele at Amazon and I'm going to do the unboxing right now. So you will be the first one to see my unboxing. Well, I know it's kind of difficult to learn the guitar, so I'm thinking of maybe with ukulele, since it's small, then maybe it's a friendly user than the guitar for me. So hopefully I will learn it. Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing. And oh, this is so hard. I'm kind of excited. Well, actually, I purchased this April 25th, maybe, and April 20th. And they told me when I processed the order that I will get the order by May 6th. But thank you, Amazon. They had my ukulele so fast. I got it today, and I'm going to open it because I'm very excited to learn how to play the ukulele. And also what's good about Amazon is they're updating you all the time. Where is your package already? And they are updating as well if they will be delayed of delivering your package, or if they will be early in delivering your package. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh. Ta-da! It comes with a bag. Yes, so we're going to open this later. What's inside the bag? And I don't know what is this. So I need to look for the guide. Maybe they will tell me what's inside. Oh, this is the strap of the bag. And this, oh, this is the tuner. And this is another cord. And what else? Oh, I'm not sure if this is right, but I call this as the strummer. It's yellow. Yeah, this is the strummer. Okay. And so what I chose actually is the electric ukulele. I'm going to open it already. So excited. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. A ukulele. Oh, I thought they have the guide. I'm so excited. Here it is. So I am hoping that after this COVID-19, I will know how to play the ukulele already. Oh my god. Ta-da! This is my So it says here that this is the best choice products, and it was manufactured in August of 2019. Okay, so not bad, just last year. Okay, so there's really no guide on what is this, so I need to figure it out later. Or maybe, oh, these are extra strings. Maybe if time will come that I will mess on the strings. And best, yeah, did you see it? Best choice products. Oh, okay. All right, and oh, since this is electric, like I said, so you can adjust the volume, the tuner, no, the volume, if you want it treble, middle, or bass. Okay, well, I need to figure out how to learn or how to play the ukulele, and who knows, next time on my video there will be, or maybe I'm covering songs already. I'm not really good in singing, but I'm going to practice. I'm going to work it out for you. So probably on my boring days here in Arizona, this will be my best friend. This will be my best friend. Well, sometimes I do cooking as well if I'm bored. Sometimes I'm watching TV. I'm actually obsessed right now of watching Harry Potter again. I'm watching it from the top again so that, you know, just a sort of review for me so that I will remember the characters, the places there, just in case I forgot them already. And hopefully, if I will learn how to play this ukulele already, I will learn how to play the guitar as well, because I know guitar is better than ukulele. Maybe. I just don't know. All right, so guys, I have my ukulele already. So we open it together, and I hope that there will be more people playing ukulele as well during this COVID-19 instead of going outside. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will click or you will press subscribe down there, and see you next time on my next video. Bye everyone.